Everything came very well packed. Great instructions, gloves, and for the most part everything just clicks in together. The shelves slide right in underneath, and it took no time at all. Probably under 20 minutes, I'd say. And once it was up, it looks sleek but feels solid. The chrome frame can handle up to 600 pounds. I don't have that many clothes, but I got to clear out my walk-in, and this will be for storage of winter clothes down in the basement. The Y-shaped design gives me 23 inches between the bars, so they're farther out, not all shoved in the middle, and nothing's overlapping. And it's cool having the tall and lower one, so you can hang different lengths of things side by side. And they'll look even if you want. And the built-in basket is clutch, shoes, boxes, whatever you want to store down there. These are shoes I can't get rid of, or my husband's. Each end of the poles are adjustable with more length added on, so you can dial it in to your fit and your needs. The wheels glide really smooth, and the locks snap down real clean to hold everything where you want it. No sliding or moving. So getting it to where it needs to go will be so easy. It's very sturdy and flexible, and it holds way more than I expected, so you can use this for extra closet space like me, laundry room overflow, or even in a professional building's laundry. Whatever. This rack just works. Highly recommend.